Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet amigurumi doll free ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. Very nice, beautiful ideas, different variety, different style, fabulous crocheting work, handmade knitting variety, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Beautiful designing. Some are light colors, some are dark colors, some are beautiful crochet dresses wearing ideas, different dresses, different pattern, free pattern, beautiful amigurumi, doll free ideas, beautiful toys. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, different ideas, fabulous crocheting work, mind-blowing pattern. Hopefully like this, follow my channel. Press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Mind-blowing pattern. If you want to more collection about crochet, so please visit my channel. The logo is front of you. And good comment section. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet beautiful amigurumi doll free ideas. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye.